everyone, it's me again, your friend. Guess what we are having today? What you have asked for, Mathematics SSCE 2025 solution. If you are here, you are preparing for your examination. This is revision time. Question 1. The bearing of F from G is 64 degrees. What is the bearing of G from F? This is a simple question, it's bearing. So let's solve. Solution. We are told that the bearing of F from G, so this is going to be G. The first point is going to be G. That is your location where you are taking the bearing from. Alright? The bearing of F from G is 064 degrees. Where are you going to start from? When it's not stated whether it's north, south, east, or west, you will start from north. Okay? So it is 64 degrees, north 64 degrees. From here to here is 90 degrees. We all know that. So 64 degrees will be more than half of 90. Okay? So this is 64 degrees. Then you have F here. The question now says, what is the bearing of G from F? What is the bearing of G from F? This is how you calculate the bearing of G from F. From north to south is 180 degrees. Okay, then what is the bearing here? What is the angle here? If the angle here is 180 degrees, what is this small angle here? Okay, this small angle here, if you look at it very well, it is alternate to 64 degrees. The small angle here is alternate to the angle here, which is 64 degrees. So this is also 64 degrees. So what do you do to get the whole angle from the north down to where this line is? You are going to add up 180 plus 180 degrees plus 64 degrees. Okay, so what is 180 degrees plus 64 degrees? 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 plus 6 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. So your answer is 244 degrees. Okay, 244 degrees is the bearing of G from F. Next question. For what value of X is this expression undefined? This is a fraction, it is an expression, and it does not have any equal to. Because there is no equal to, it is not an equation, it's just an expression. So what value of X is this expression undefined? For a fraction to be undefined, it means the denominator is 0. For a fraction to be undefined, it means the denominator is 0. So you just write 2x plus 1 equals 0. 2x plus 1 equals 0. So 2x equals minus 1. That is, you have taken away 1 from both sides to eliminate 1. You take away 1 from both sides. So you have 2x is equal to minus 1. X, divide both sides by 2. You have 2x over 2 equals minus 1 over 2. X gives you minus 1 over 2 or negative 1 over 2, which is negative half. Next question. Ajoka will be 31 years in X years time. If Ajoka is 6 years older than Chioma, find an expression for Chioma's present age. Some students get confused when they have this kind of word problem. What you should do is just relax and try to interpret the question. At times you don't even need to solve anything. At other times you can solve. So first of all, what you do here is to understand the question. Don't be too quick to say you want to start solving. What is the question saying? It says Ajoke will be 31 years in X years time. That means Ajoke is not yet 31 years. In X years time, that means right now Ajoke is less than 31 years by X. Ajoke is less than 31 years by X. So that is right now, Ajoke is 31 minus X years. Okay, so let me write this down. Ajoke is 31 minus X presently. Ajoke is 31 minus X presently. If Ajoke is 6 years older than Chioma, now Ajoke is even older than Chioma by 6 years. That means Chioma is less in years than Ajoke. Find an expression for Chioma's present age. Okay, so Chioma is going to be what? What's Chioma's age going to be? Chioma's age will be Ajoke's age minus what? 6. Ajoke's age minus 6. What is Ajoke's age? 31 minus x. Okay, so 31 minus x is Ajoke's age. Then you take away 6 because Ajoke is older than Chioma. Is that taken? So we have 31 minus x minus 6. That is equal to, we collect like terms, 31 minus 6 minus x. 31 minus 6 is what? 25 minus x. So Chioma's age is 25 minus x years. Remember your units. Question 4. Factorize 3 minus 2x minus x squared. Okay, so what we'll do in this case is to find the product and the sum. Remember there is 1 here. So the product is what? The product is negative 3x squared. That's 3 times minus 1. While the sum is negative 2x. Okay, the product is negative 3x squared. That's A times C. While the sum is B, which is negative 2x. Okay, so what do? The next thing we will do is to find the factors because we're asked to factorize. So what can we multiply together to get this and add together to get negative 2? That is minus 3 and 1. Minus 3 times 1 will give you minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1 will give you minus 2. Okay, so the factors are negative 3 and 1. So we have 3, negative 3x plus 1x minus x squared. So we have 3 minus 3x plus 1x minus x squared. Okay, let's check if our factors are correct. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 3 times 1 is minus 3x squared. So we can go ahead now and factorize. So what is common to both? 3 is common, right? Then we are left with 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, 3 minus 3x divided by 3 is going to give you what? Minus x. So we bring out 1 here. We bring out 1. What is common to both of them? X. So 1x divided by x is 1. Then we have x squared minus x squared divided by x is what? Minus x. Okay, so we are done factorizing. We have 3 plus x into brackets 1 minus x. So we can write it as x plus 3 into brackets 1 minus x.